Hi guys, this is Umar. Yesterday I felt sorry that I have squared off some positions since Nifty reversed from 15,000, but I never thought bulls would take Nifty back to 15,200 level. This is called two-way move. On 18th, Nifty was flat trading at a range of around 70 to 100 points, and on 19th closed down by 1%. And today we are almost high more than 200 points. And on 18th I sold a 14,700 naked put for around 46 rupees, and today morning I sold additional puts and averaged it down to maybe 40 rupees, and now it is trading at around 16 to 70 rupees. And whenever I was thinking, whenever I sell calls, market will shoot up, and whenever I sell put, market will come down. So this time I was lucky enough that market is going up. So we made a good decent profit in naked call, and of course I am not recommending this. Naked options are very dangerous. So you have to consult, there is a disclaimer, you have to consult your financial advisor. So made some decent return on that 14,700 call. And if you see, Nifty closed at 2.5 months high after 2 days of losses. The previous time we touched this zone was on 12th of March, and for almost more than 2 months Nifty hasn't moved anywhere. These are the best time for option sellers, and I hope option sellers would have made good money. After opening higher at 14,987, the index extended gains to hit the day's high of 15,200. It closed 270 points or 1.8% higher at 15,175. If you see it in a candlestick perspective, it has formed a bullish candle on daily scale, as the closing was higher than the opening level. And not only that, it has also formed a bullish candle on weekly scale, as it closed with 4% gain. If the trend continues, we can see Nifty touching record highs sooner than later. And at the same time, if you see any dip in the market, that is, if Nifty touches 15,000 levels, that will be the best opportunity to go long in Nifty. And last week I thought Nifty may test 14,000 levels due to US inflation data and other global cues, but what happened today is something extraordinary. And if you see today, there was a news that central bank is going to transfer the surplus cash to government of India, and along with SBI result gave the market a positive sentiment and lifted the market. And the current rally seems to be on the back of strong short covering from financials, which saw 3% gain. Now for this uptrend to continue, we might need some follow-up buying, and I think there might be some resistance near 15,400 levels, which was the all-time high. If we hold above 15,100 levels, we may see Nifty moving towards 15,300 and 15,400 levels, and on the downside support is seen at 15,000 and 14,900 levels. And if you see the option data, maximum put open interest was at 14,000 followed by 14,500 strike, while maximum call open interest was seen at 15,500 strike. Now this used to be 15,000 earlier. People are selling 15,000 calls. People were selling 15,000 calls aggressively, and they have now shifted to from 15,000 to 15,500 levels, and followed by 16,000 strikes. Call open interest was seen at 15,700 and 15,600 strike, while put writing was seen at 15,000 and 15,100 strike. Now even 14,000 strike, 14,700 put is far out of the money. Maybe I will square 14,700 and maybe sell 15,100. Let's see how things pan out on Monday. And Bank Nifty was the star performer today, opened at around 33,500, and from the start there was good buying interest in all the banking stocks, and all the stocks was in the green. It was almost 1,270 points or maybe 4% higher, and that is the highest daily close for the last 45 trading session. And if you see, the India VIX fell by around 2.90% from 19.65 to 19.08 level. That was also the main reason for the bulls to take the market higher. So that's it for that is the market perspective. I believe that we are in a bullish trend, and I am planning to sell more puts if the market moves higher and higher. And as I told, there might be a resistance around 14,400, and if the market returns and so that is the market view. I am bullish in the market. I hope market is going to touch a lifetime high, and as I told you, there is a strong resistance around 15,400 levels, which is the all-time high. So in case if the market reversing that time, we will try to square off our straddles, 15,000 straddles and other things, and we will take some other positions. And in fact, we are long in Nifty, like we have sold more puts, and maybe if market moves higher, we will shift our nakeds from 14,700 to maybe 15,000 or 15,100. Let's see how markets span out, right? And if you remember, I told yesterday that 15,000 is going to be a good 15,000 straddle is going to be a good straddle that you can sell now. And in case you are afraid, or in case you are if you don't want to take risk, I suggested 15,000. In fact, 15,000 straddle. In fact, I have taken a 15,000 straddle. Let me show you. Yeah, what I have done is I have taken 15,100 straddle on July series, that is 2 month. And if you see, on the downside my break even is 14,200 and on the upside break even is around 16,000. Anything can happen, right? And if you see, in spite of this trade was taken yesterday, and in spite of market moving violently around 250 points, there was no any major losses. It is in the loss of around 410 rupees. Yeah. Yeah, and in fact yesterday I told that I suggested you 15,000 straddle, and I have taken that straddle as well. If you see, this is the original trade. What I have done is I have sold 15,100 call and 15,100 put, and it is on not June series, it is on July series, that is 60 days more. So I have collected a premium of around 90,000, and the break even is on downside it is around 14,200, and on the upside it is around 16,000. Now even though I suggest many things and I tell many things in this YouTube videos, please do remember, option trading is very dangerous, and you have to consult your financial advisor. There is a strong disclaimer. My trades will not be suitable to you, and your trades will not be suitable to me. Everybody has a different trading style and different trading pattern. Normally I trade aggressively. I even if things go extremely wrong, I do aggressive adjustment. Even if my margins are exhausted, I have other sources, and I can manage things up to some extent. So what I am trying to say is, I am an aggressive trader, and just don't blindly follow me. Whatever I'm showing is for education purpose only, so that you can learn. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.